how to link pages to menu in Elementor. So I've just opened up Elementor here. We want to find the website that we want to link pages to menu in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the WordPress dashboard by clicking on my website itself. Now it's going to look like this. It's going to essentially integrate Elementor into my WordPress here, and I'm going to click on visit site, which is going to load up my Elementor website actually. So if I click on it here, just give it some time to load up, it's going to give us the cloud website. So it's going to look like this. Now what we have to do is hover over our website name, and I'm going to first create a new menu. So I'm going to click on menus here, and I'll do top 10 salami. I have no idea what that is, but I'm going to do test menu here. And we can auto add pages, automatically add new top level pages to this menu, header, footer. I will check this option here and I'll create the menu. Now, after we have the menu created, what we have to do is see here from the pages. Now, we can first create a new page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Elementor here, and I'm going to edit with Elementor this time here. And as you can see, I already have a test page created here, but basically what I've done is I've gone to pages and I've selected add new here, and I've created this test page. So after I have done this, if we want to link this to the menu, we'll simply highlight it like so here, and we will add it to the menu. And that's essentially how you link a page to menu in Elementor/WordPress. I hope this helps you out. I hope this was useful to you. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.